Hey there, travel fans! Ever tried planning a trip and ended up in an endless vortex of travel sites, blogs, and overwhelming decisions? You're not alone. We've all been there, stuck between an itinerary spreadsheet and a dream. Today we're diving into the showdown of the century, okay, maybe just the travel planning century. Artificial intelligence versus traditional travel planning. Which one will rule your next adventure? Stick around because we're not only spilling the pros and cons, but helping you decide which method will make your travel plan smoother, easier, and a whole lot more fun. So first, let's talk AI. It's not just for programming self-driving cars or writing those quirky customer service chats that almost sound like a real person. These days, AI has moved into every corner of travel, from helping you book flights at just the right price, to planning customized itineraries based on your unique preferences. The future has arrived, and it's ready to take you on a trip. Imagine this. You tell an AI app, I want to go to Japan next spring. The AI scans the web, finding the best flights, hotels, even local experiences that match your vibe, without you lifting a finger. It's like having a digital travel assistant who knows all the best deals. Pretty cool, right? All right, let's jump into the perks of using AI for travel planning. Because let's face it, AI has some tricks up its virtual sleeve. First off, AI is fast, like turbocharged speed. Think of all those hours you'd spend searching for flights, checking hotel availability, or figuring out whether you're actually getting a good deal. AI, it cuts that down to a few minutes, if that. You just tell it what you want, and boom, your options are ready. It's like skipping the lines at Disneyland and heading straight for the front. And then there's the magic word personalization. AI doesn't just throw random options at you. No, it looks at your past preferences, budget, and even travel style. Want a relaxing beach vacation that's family-friendly? Or maybe a thrilling adventure with a side of budget-friendly hostels? AI tailors your plans so that every part of your trip matches you. No generic recommendations here. Ever had a flight canceled mid-trip and wished you had a personal travel agent to help? AI's got you covered. Many AI travel apps will send you real-time updates if your flight changes or if there's a hot new event near your destination. It's like having a personal assistant who's always on high alert and never needs coffee breaks. Another plus? AI can be a real money saver. Many AI-based travel tools scan prices constantly, adjusting for the best time to book flights, hotels, and even attractions. It's like having a savvy deal hunter in your pocket, helping you score discounts without the hassle. Plus, you can set budget preferences, so AI knows you're looking for, say, a 4-star experience at 3-star prices. AI can even help you travel a little greener. With the push for sustainable tourism, some AI platforms are now equipped to suggest eco-friendly travel options. From carbon-neutral flights to hotels committed to green practices, if going green is a priority, AI can sort through the options and help you make environmentally friendly choices, hassle-free. Now, before we get too carried away with the perks, let's talk reality check. As impressive as AI is, it's not perfect. Here's where the robot travel buddy still struggles. First, and probably the biggest con, AI can't quite replicate human insight. Sure, it can tell you about the most popular landmarks or the best-rated restaurants, but it doesn't know that hidden little cafe down a back alley that's cash only and makes the best espresso you'll ever have. AI is only as smart as the data it's fed, and local secrets not always in the database. AI can also struggle with creativity. It may give you top 10 lists, but it doesn't explore in the way humans do. Sometimes the best part of travel planning is the happy accidents, the bizarre museums, quirky festivals, or even the wrong turn that leads to the perfect view. AI's recommendations, they're optimized for safety, popularity, and efficiency. But if you're looking to get a little lost and find something unexpected, traditional planning, or even winging it, might be more your style. And then there's the whole over-reliance on data thing. AI isn't psychic, it doesn't know you personally, it predicts based on patterns, meaning it can sometimes recommend places that are too touristy or activities that are overly tailored to the general public. If you're not into crowded hotspots or Instagram-famous places, AI might lead you right there without even realizing it. Another downside? Privacy concerns. AI travel planning tools often rely on location data, browsing history, and personal preferences. If you're not comfortable with an app knowing a little too much about you, it can be a bit unsettling. While most apps have security in place, sharing personal details always comes with a slight risk, so it's worth thinking about. Alright, so we've talked AI. Now let's switch gears to the old school method, traditional travel planning. You know, doing all the research yourself, asking friends for tips, or even gasp, using guidebooks. Believe it or not, traditional planning is still alive and well, and it has some real advantages too. Some of you might be thinking, why go through all the hassle of traditional planning when AI can do it faster? Good question. But let's look at a few of the perks. Traditional planning often leads to more authentic experiences. Let's say you're researching a destination. You might stumble on a travel blog where a local talks about their favorite neighborhood or a Reddit thread recommending an epic hidden hike. These are experiences you won't find in any algorithm-driven app. They're personal, unique, and let's be honest, they make for some of the best travel stories. Another big advantage? Flexibility. With traditional planning, you're in full control. If you decide mid-trip to stay an extra day or check out that random art gallery, you can do it. Traditional planning means you're not following a preset agenda. It's your trip, done your way, every step of the way. Then there's the emotional side. When you spend time researching, reading, and planning, you connect with the trip on a deeper level. Planning becomes part of the adventure. You get invested in the details, and by the time you arrive, it feels like you're stepping into a place you already know. Of course, traditional planning has a few downsides too. First up, it's time-consuming. If you've got a busy schedule, it's tough to fit in hours of research. So what's the real answer here? AI or traditional? Actually, why not both? The best part about travel today is that you don't have to choose one exclusively. AI can handle the heavy lifting and save you tons of time, while traditional planning lets you dive deep into the details and uncover those hidden gems. It's about finding the balance between efficiency and authenticity, between convenience and the thrill of discovery. So, there you have it, travelers. Are you going to give AI a shot, or stick to the classic approach? Or maybe a little of both? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video gave you some helpful insights, remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you're always up to date with our tech-forward travel tips. Thanks for tuning in to Atlas IQ. Happy travels, and we'll see you in the next video.